What's going on, everybody? Damn, it's cold. Chippy back here with another video. So guys, toy hunt time. This weekend has been all about the Super Bowl. A lot of bad food, a lot of great people. Back to the toy hunt, back to the channel. I want to go check out a couple stores because Kingpin Wave, you know what I'm saying? They're starting to show up at Target or not. I really wish they did. I'm just sitting here trying to pay less money for the damn rest of the wave. I guess I'll check GameStop again. If anything, I'll probably pick up one if they have it at GameStop. It's annoying though, you know what I mean? The Jetfire, Leader Class Jetfire Transformers Studios series. I definitely want that Jetfire no matter what. First minute I see him, I'm buying him. You know what I mean? The second I see him, I'm buying him. I'll see you guys at the store. Thank you again for watching. Welcome to the channel. Appreciate every single one of you. See you guys in a second. Magic. Damn. Yeah. Cool. Oh, this is so cool. I can show you the world. Okay. Well, shut up. But there's nothing else that's new. I think I'm just late to the party. I'm always late to the party here. Still have this. There's only one left here. So the 2-pack's gone.
I mean, it was like right here. Look, a Pokeball. Are you okay with that?
I can't believe I just found this. I'm buying it.
No. No. Yes.
Yeah, someone took the 2-packs already. The number 2-packs here. I'm just gonna keep looking around. If I find it, I will let you know. One of the best legends ever. Yeah, it's not looking so good here. Still here. Ooh, this baby. Oh, I really want to pick this up. Apparently this is like the best. One of the best actually. This is new. Oh, this is so cool. This is new, but I don't care for this. It's crazy how these guys really released, you know. Damn. Yeah, this is the newer one, 25. I mean, it comes with that stuff, but I want to paint them, so. And this guy is $55. Shout outs to Chris. Anyways, I was thinking about picking up another one of these, but I think these are 60 or 45. It's actually not bad. Last coatings, Napa, a whole bunch of these. Man, I'm about to buy another one of these soon, man, because I want to get that head. Boma's up there. Alright guys, I'm going to show you, because of the music, I'm not going to commentate, I'm just going to show you guys everything through, yeah. want this guy.
And it's just, it creates a whole different kind of immersive experience, and it's awesome. Oh yeah, definitely. Now, whether you're playing through Ace Combat 7 story or
Ooh. Pin fake. What is this? That's cool. Oh snap. Whoa. This thing's huge. Look at that. Like, it's basically a Marvel Legends figure. Yeah, it's the size of a Marvel Legends figure. Jesus. Now make it a figure, please. Put it back down here. The Thanos next to it. Nope. Nothing new. Do. And still 25. He's still here. No new. What's so I don't know why they're just clearing these out already. Jeez. I know these are a big thing right now for a lot of people. Primal clashes. Oh, it was only 15 bucks for this. That's so sick. These are really cool, actually. Now that I see them in person, I'm actually paying attention to them. They're pretty cool. I got a couple packages in the mail. Thank you, Kokomo's. I got the last of the 3. Shout outs to Kokomo's. They had it for $45 on their eBay account. And the second one I got from Amazon. It's really big. I cannot wait to open this guy up. It's been a long time since I sent you. I just put that up there. Oh my gosh. I decided to paint most of him chrome, and I realized I didn't want to paint most of them chrome. Half the rest of them coming right here. This is the rest of the pieces. This is obviously my Gundam. I am not going to sell this one, most likely not. What's going on, everybody? It's your boy Jim Pizzeo. Today is currently Happy New Year's! Happy Chinese New Year's, guys! It's the 5th of February. It's Tuesday. Oh shoot. What? What? They got the new wave in, bro. Oh my god. Oh god damn it. What? That's crazy. Damn, I can hold this one. Yeah, I feel like they're restocking these like crazy, but people keep buying all the bishops. Dang, mate. Dang, bud. But I gotta pick her up eventually, man. Yeah. So there's like 4 Muhammads. And though man, that's sick. Ah. I only bought 1 Nanos, and it was a Home 6 Spidey. Yeah. But there's nothing new over here, so I think they have another area. What is this? Oh. They got new pops over here. No, someone already got here this morning or yesterday, I guess, because there was a chaser. All right, so I want to show you. You can kind of see like the pre-shading of the chrome. a little bit. You see a lot more there. I'm gonna appreciate it, and then I'm gonna paint it with a clear blue and see how it goes. All right, so I want to show you guys again. This is new pieces. You can kind of see it like that. Yeah, there you go. These are the big pieces right here, so I'm really hoping that it comes out pretty cool. This is the cool one. Look at that. That's the actual badge, so I'm excited to paint that. Pretty cool, man. As you can see, this is the only way he can stand because he doesn't have actual inner legs. So I didn't fully put it on because it's still satin. As you can see, it's kind of glossy still. But this is what I was actually going for. So what do you guys think? It's pretty sick, right? Super ganks. Oh my, oh no! So yeah, this is the angle. This is a better angle. There it goes. The chrome kind of pushes away when you paint over it with clear colors, but I still like it. February 6th, everybody. You NECA fans know it. You NECA fans know it. The street date for the turtles. I can go pick them up now. These are old. Still here. Wow, they're like super stacked. Oh, Amber Moon. Not this. Yeah, still here. Oh my god. Omega's still there. Found my turtles. Look at my turtles just sitting there. Somebody lost their shoe. Hype boy, hype. Look at these fig pens are for sale. These are kind of cool though. Kratos. These on clearance? Oh my god. Oh. God damn it, every single time, man. This would be fun to do.
Watching 4K movies or streaming live gameplay. There's never been a better time to game with Xbox One. The Xbox One S Anthem releases on February 22nd.
That's funny.
The way to get one is to pre-order it. Talk to a guest advisor or go to GameStop.com.
What do I want, guys? I don't know. Okay. Same damn sword. I need those.
What's up, guys? Jeremy from the right here, and I'm bringing you the
Yeah. It looks exactly like this from last time, so. Why can't you go on clearance though? You know? Like, you know?
most anticipated for this quarter. Kicking off at number 5 is the next installment in the Far Cry series. It's Far Cry New Dawn. Now, this is a very different Far Cry title because it takes place directly after the events of Far Cry 5,
Still have these.
when a nuclear war erupts. 17 years after that event, Hope County, Montana has turned into an apocalyptic wasteland, with humanity doing its best to fight its way back to the top. However, with a brutal gang also vying for control of Hope County, it's up to you to take them down and restore order. This game is going to be insanely action-packed.
I still need that one.
Races, different animal friends, and crazy weapons for you to use. And saw blades on it. Why not? Far Cry looks like it's going to be keeping up with its chaotic nature with this installment, and
This is so
possibly pushing it
cool.
further than it's ever gone before. Far Cry New Dawn is available on the Xbox One and the PS4, so pick it up and take away
Hey.
Coming in at number 4 is the highly anticipated next installment of the
What?
Devil May
Can't
Cry
get off
series.
these guys here, these collectors. You can't get these.
Yo, I have something on pre-order I can pick up today.
What is that?
The NECA Turtles.
You don't know what that is.
So it seems.
You better not have sold it.
After his arm, the Devil Bringer,
Ninja Turtles, man.
the division is
I might actually pick this up, guys.
you and your friends team
Huh?
up in small groups to
All
take
4.
down armored foes, bases, and even raids.
Damn, he got me on this one. I'm scared. I want to cut him.
Don't cut the box. Don't cut the box. Be gentle. It's her first time.
I did a pretty bad job.
Yeah. You didn't even cut it. Horrible.
Damn. Wait, your fingers are sharper than this.
You just gotta bust it wide open, baby.
Oh.
Just gotta. Yeah, right there.
Yes, baby. I finally got them. Let's go. Yes, guys. Yes. Yes, 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 yeah. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna shut up. I'm on a diet. And he was like, no, 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 no. Cut the cake. And I was like, oh, I gotta record this. You gonna let me cut it? I'm not even an employee. The one collectible I am trying to get into is Naruto. Naruto, man. Woo! I mean, I watched Naruto a long time ago. I watched it when I was super young. I'm not saying that I didn't get connected to it. I just was watching like 600 other animes, and I started finishing other animes before I even got back into Naruto, because of its like what 600 episodes, 700 episodes. All right, so my budget is currently 147, and it's about to go down again. So I have a pre-order coming from Amazon, and it's actually coming tomorrow. Changing up the rules again. Changing up the rules. Hot toys don't count. It can't count because Hot Toys are my budget. Everything else counts. So Legends, NECA, Pops, SH Figuarts, Gundams, they all count for my budgets.
You don't need to experience the real thing in order to see what it could be like. February's lineup of releases includes several games that take place in a post-apocalyptic setting. The first game we're going to talk about is one you actually might not be expecting, the Lego Movie 2 video game. Now, this game takes place in Bricksburg, which has been wrapped in Mad Max-style ruins, thanks to the invasion of some rude alien monsters. Not quite friendly of them. Fans of the Lego Movie will recognize characters like
Okay. I'm trying to see if there's anything here. Oh, I haven't seen him before. That's sick. He's new. He's old. They still have those. Optimus Prime. Pretty sick. Oh shit. They have the whole archive. 2 Bobas, 2 Bosk. Yeah, there's 2 new waves. Oh man, Indian Town. Hit it up, guys. Let's see what they have. Well, they have the new Dragon Ball, Dragon Stars. Whole bunch of pig warmers. I gotta go back. I gotta go to work, so I gotta be quick on this one, guys. Looks like they still have the Panther Wave. Magic. That's about it. Yeah. Let me look all the way to the back. Is there? No, they're all magics. I still gotta. I'm so sorry, guys. Box collectors in box. I'm sorry. I promise the box is cool. All right. And this is they have that Panther, and it's kind of crazy to see this guy. Pretty good for kit bashing if you guys are basically just head swapping and stuff like that. If you guys are asking for my opinion, yeah, that's it. That's it, guys. That'll be all for this video, guys. I hope you did enjoy it. If you guys did enjoy it, make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you again for watching. Thank you for coming to the channel. Appreciate you guys subbing to the new subs. Been a really good time for me. So, yeah. Zeo Nation, Zeo Gang, it's your boy Jimpy Zeo, and I can't wait to show you guys how it looks like out of box in the next video. So, stay tuned for that. Get your figs up. Later.